Hello, my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel, a channel of positivity. So, today we're going to do an Indian traditional makeup look. As you can see, I've already done my makeup. It's a long winged liner look. A lot of pinks are used, browns as well. I hope you really like it, and yeah, let's get into the video without any further delay. I'm going to first use the Maybelline Master Prime to prime my face. Now that our face is all primed, we can go in with our foundation. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff. I don't believe in putting a lot of foundation. I feel that, the makeup gets really cakey. And I tend not to put my foundation under my eye because I know that I'm going to put my concealer over there. So I don't really put it under my eye as much. Then you can take your beauty blender and blend it all in. Whatever excess product is there on the beauty blender, you can use it to dab in your under eyes. I use very little foundation. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm going to conceal my under eyes. Just a little bit. I don't want it to look cakey, as I told you earlier. I'm going to dab it all in. I'm going to use the concealer to cover any spots. I'm going to use a lot of concealer on top of my eyelid. This will give a really good base for your eye makeup. I'm gonna use this beautiful brown color as the transition shade. I don't have a blending brush with me at the moment, so I'm just gonna have to use this. So I'm gonna use this dark color in the outer corner of my eye, like so. And then I'm going to use it on the inner corner of my eye. I will be wearing a red and white outfit, so I will take shades similar to that. I'll be taking this pinkish red shade, if you can see, and I'll put it in the center. I'm going to take a deeper brown and I'm going to go in at the end of my eye like so. Going in again with the color. I'm trying to make this kind of wing with the eyeshadow, if you can see. And I'm trying to blend it with this flat kind of brush. I'm gonna use the same brown color for my under eye. Next, I'm going to use my concealer and give it a cut.
Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun.
I'm going to then tap it in with my finger.
Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun.
And then I'm going to go in with a shimmery shade from my Urban Muse palette. I'm going to use Quartz in my Urban Muse palette. And I'm going to put it on top of the concealer.
Big breath that you can't fake once you've begun.
As you can see, the quartz color is a beautiful shimmery pink color, and I just love this color. It's so beautiful. Next, I'm going to go in with a liquid liner and I'm going to line my eyes.
Hold on the sun. Hold on the sun.
As you can see, I have done a very long winged liner and I think it's great for traditional look. I'm going to then go in with the Maybelline Colossal Kajal for my under eyes.
Yes, I'll come back to you.
As you can see, I have underlined my under eyes. Underline my under eyes. I'm going to then go in with a concealer to conceal my under eyes again because there's a lot of fallout. I'm just going to brush out the fallout as much as I possibly can. And then I'm going to go in with the concealer again. This time I'm putting a lot more concealer than I did earlier. and I'm going to drag it all the way up for that lifted look. Right below my eyeliner, I'm going to take the beauty blender and I'm going to dab it all in.
Press my face to the back, all the pillars that stack, and hold up the sun. And hold up the sun.
I'm going to then put mascara.
And hold up the sun.
I wish I had my falsies right now. They would look so good. But I don't have my falsies, so I'm going to use mascara. I'm going to use mascara under my eyes, my under eyes as well.
And hold up the sun.
I'm going to next use my V-Face Dew Stick to contour my face. Now that my face is contoured, I'm going to go in with a blush. I'm going to use this pink Fit Me blush by Maybelline. I'm going to take some product and I'm going to dust it back into the pan and just go lightly in, because it really tends to stain your face, like, so I'm going to just blend it in properly.
Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run.
Take some more, dust it in.
Go in lightly first and then blend it on it.
To be free, be away. Big breath that you can't fake. Once you've begun. Press my
I'm going to go in with the lighter blush and just layer it on top. Take in more of the lighter blush, go on top, go on the bridge of my nose, on my chin. I'm going to next use the Miss Claire lip liner to line my lips.
hold up the sun.
I'm gonna go in with a brown lipstick. It's the pumpkin spice brown lipstick in the Christmas collection.
Hold up the sun.
Yeah, I've used this a million times. I haven't brought my red lipstick, so I'm gonna use the brown one. And to add that extra glow and shine, I'm going to use the Clinique lip gloss on top. Just over here and over here.
under the sun. Yes, I'll come.
Now I've opened my hair and I'm going to go in with the Fit Me loose powder. I'm going to use the beauty blender and I'm going to go in with my Fit Me loose powder under my under eyes. It did seem to have an effect on my lipstick, so I'm going to go in with the lip liner again.
Hold on, sun.
So we're finally done with our Indian traditional makeup look. I hope you liked it because I definitely enjoyed making the video. So please let me know in the comment section down below what you think of the makeup look. Please subscribe to my channel, share the video. I love you all, and yeah, see you guys.